Representation today will be about motivation and motivational theories, whereby we'll be looking about motivation definition of the motivation processes, objectives of motivations, and probably one theory about what is motivation. So objectives of the lesson today is definition of terms, process of motivation, of motivations, and motivation theory. Let's start with what is motivation. Motivation is derived from the word motive, which denotes a person's needs, desire, and wants. It is a process of engaging individuals to take action in order to achieve a goal. Motivation is a psychological process which fuels the people's behavior in the context of objectives, goals, and a desire for money. Motivation is an internal state that arouses, directs, and maintains behavior of people, appeals, and energizes an individual to act, behave. The next presentation is about the process of motivation, whereby in the process of motivation we have several stages. The first stage is unsatisfied need. You identify the need within the motivation. The second step is tension. You stimulate or give use of the causes of motivation. We also have drivers which generate the causes of the tension. The fourth one is search behavior. That is whereby you have to identify the, the situations by which the tension has aroused. Then the fifth stage is satisfaction of the need. This is a strategy to fulfill the need. Then the last stage of process of motivation is the reduction of tension, whereby when the need is satisfied, it may need several collections. Then we have types of motivation. When we talk of types of motivation, we are talking about internal or intrinsic motivation. This is the factors that are found within an individual. The desire to do something. The other type of motivation we are talking of external or extrinsic factors. These are the factors found outside an individual. Some of these factors sometimes we engage, they influence the encouragement or promising demand or product, profit or market. Then when it comes to motivational theory, we will look at the major motivational theory, which is the Maslow's hierarchy of needs, whereby we are talking about Maslow's theory. This was proposed by Abraham Maslow, and it was based on the assumption that people are motivated by a sense of universe needs. The needs are ranked according in order in which they influence human behavior in hierarchical order. One need has to be satisfied for moving before to meet in the sequential order. Below is a diagram, is a triangle diagram which illustrates the Maslow's theory, which it has 5 contents. The far bottom end of the Maslow's theory, these are the physiological needs. This is food, clothing, shelter, water, rest, and warmth. The second column from the bottom is the safety needs. So we need security and safety. Then we have sociological needs, the sense of belonging, love, It stimulates relationships and friends. The other column we have esteem needs. This is the feeling of accomplishment, prestige, recognition, and respect. Then the last one is self-actualization. The self-actualization pieces whereby we have self-fulfillment needs. So according to the Maslow's hierarchy of needs, the first two needs at the far bottom, those are the basic needs. The next two, which is social needs and esteem needs, these are psychological needs. Then the last one is self-fulfillment. I think with that content, that is all about a brief definition of motivation, process, and perhaps one theory of motivation.